Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Tweet. Today we're going to be taking a look at the top three fan tokens which have seen a really good performance over the past week, which is the LAZIO fan token, which has rallied 111% over the past week, the SANTOS FC fan token, which has rallied 100%, and finally the FC PORTO token, which has rallied 59%. But before we dive deep into the technicals, I want to direct your attention to the FX Tweet YouTube channel. If you enjoy the content that we put out and want to stay updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. You can follow us on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and you can also follow me on Twitter on at Mangyako with a 0 at the end. So back to the fan token, which is LAZIO. Right, so I think this is the listing, and the listing, the price rallied roughly, oh my god, it's a 2,400% upswing. And for now, let's take a look at it from a lower time frame, because the daily time frame doesn't offer a lot of right. So kind of reminds me of this triple tap setup where the price forms a swing low and then deviates below that and then retests it again for a move higher, right? So where is the price going? From the looks of it, the price is collectively resting above these highs, which is at 5.98. And since collecting liquidity resting above these equal highs here, the price has dropped off considerably, which is for now a 30% downswing. From a daily time frame, there's not a lot to go on. So from a 12-hour time frame, the same. From a 4-hour time frame, there is a demand zone here extending from roughly $3.5 to $4, and that's where I'm expecting the price to head next. So this would be a 17% downswing. So although there isn't a futures contract for this coin, I mean, if there was a futures contract, I would have definitely shorted this back to this demand zone here, which is a 17% downswing. So from a 4-hour time frame perspective, the upside, I think whatever upside was present here for LAZIO token is done and is capped at roughly $6. And now I'm expecting the price to head back to the demand zone here, which would be a 17% drop. But beyond this, we also see there's a good amount of fair value gap present here, extending from 2.8 to 3.5. So if we get a 4-hour candlestick close below $3.5, then there's a good chance the price is going to quickly fill the gap and head down to $2.8, which is kind of like a support level found on 24th Jan. So for now, downside cap at 3.5, upside cap at $6. The downside could extend all the way down to $2.8 if we get a invalidation of this H4 demand zone. So that pretty much concludes my analysis for LAZIO. The next coin is SANTOS. Looks like SANTOS is having a much better time than LAZIO. Although I believe these are all football related coins and I have no clue about that. Right, so SANTOS, from a purely technical standpoint, has collected liquidity resting above the 5th December daily candlestick here at roughly $7.6. And as you can see here, the price is already showing weakness as it is a move a wick beyond that has led to a candlestick close way below from where its target was. So basically the target was $7.6 and the wicks have closed around $6.5. So it tells that there was a lot of selling that took place here, or a lot of selling pressure that came in. So from a daily time frame here, you can see there's a massive fair value gap extending from $3.4 to $5.4. So you don't want to see the coin go below $5.5. And as expected, the price is showing a good support, a good reaction off of this demand zone extending from TradingView. Really needs to change this color based on whatever color we select here. Yeah, so this H4 demand zone, or the 4-hour demand zone extending from $5.1 to $5.9 is what's currently preventing the price from going lower, right? But if you get a close below this demand zone here by 5.1, there's a good chance price is going to like continue falling all the way down to $3.4. Although we could see some sort of a bullish reaction around $3.8. So 31% downswing is what I'm expecting if we get a close below. Actually, you know what? Let's be conservative. And let's look at a 26% downswing if we get a 4-hour close below 5.186. So yeah, upside capped at $8, roughly $8, and downside capped at $3.8. Again, from a daily time frame, there's not a lot to go on in terms of price action. So this is where I'll have to end the SANTOS fan token analysis. The next coin we're going to be taking a look at is FC PORTO. Okay, interesting price action here. The price formed a lot of equal highs around $4.1, and the rally that emerged on 11th March effectively collected liquidity resting above these highs, which is at $4.1. And as you can see, there's been an intense rejection, kind of similar to what took place here in 5th December, on 5th December. So basically, we are probably looking at this demand zone here, and if you combine this demand zone kind of extends from $5.19 to $6.58, and that's where the price rejected off on 5th December, and we're seeing a similar rejection here around 13th March as well. So the upside is obviously capped anywhere from $5.2 to $6.6. As for the downside, nice little range actually. Yeah, so we could see it head down. We could see a Porto head down, consolidate somewhere around here, probably going to get a sweep, although this is conditional, and continue to do this. This kind of reminds me of the consolidation that took place on SHIB in October, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so this consolidation that finally broke out in October, right? It's kind of very similar to what's happening with Porto right now. So expecting big things out of Porto. We could see it head back. Look at now, and we're probably not heading up to this all-time high at $41, but we're probably going to see a nice little move up to $8, right? Which is from the current position, which would be a 110% upswing. So Porto kind of looks bullish, mainly because of the consolidation that's taking place right now. So to all of you sports loving people out there, I think you should be watching Porto closely. And again, I'm not a big fan of sports. I rarely watch any sports except for esports. So, and whatever analysis and whatever I'm saying here right now is based solely off of technical analysis and nothing else. So that concludes my analysis on the top gainers, on the top fan token gainers the last week. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.